In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive directly from your Gmail account. Whether you're a student managing class presentations or a professional juggling multiple projects, integrating Gmail with Google Drive can simplify your workflow. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to open Gmail and sign in with your Google account. This is pretty straightforward. If you aren't already signed in, just go to the Gmail homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your inbox right away. Gmail serves as the gateway to many other Google services, so having easy access to it can make all the difference in your productivity. Now that you're logged into Gmail, take a look in the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small icon that looks like a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps button, and it's your main access point to various Google services, including Google Drive. Go ahead and click on this grid icon. A drop-down menu should appear displaying various app icons. From this menu, you'll need to find and select the Google Drive icon. It usually looks like a colorful triangle made up of yellow, green, and blue. Clicking this icon will automatically take you to your Google Drive account. What's convenient here is that you don't need to sign in again. It's all linked through your Google account. Once clicked, Google Drive will open in a new tab, showing you all of your files stored in the cloud. Here, you can see all your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files. This interface is your command center for managing all sorts of files. You can upload new files, create folders, and share documents effortlessly. If you need to navigate away and return to this page, you can do so easily by either repeating these steps or bookmarking the tab for quick access in the future. Using Google Drive through Gmail provides a seamless way to stay organized and on top of your tasks. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to keep your Google Drive organized by using folders and naming your files clearly. This not only helps you find files faster, but also keeps your workspace clutter-free. So there you have it, effortlessly accessing Google Drive from your Gmail account. It's a simple yet powerful integration that can streamline your tasks and help keep everything you need right at your fingertips. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Don't hesitate to dive in and explore more features that Google Drive offers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.